What if I told you the tools you're about to see could upgrade your speed, sharpen your accuracy, and make woodworking feel effortless? Today, we're exploring 12 new woodworking tools blowing up right now. And trust me, number 7 is a complete game changer. Links are in the description. Let's get straight into it. Number 1. Vever 13-inch thickness planer. This powerhouse planer uses a dual blade system and a 15-amp motor to flatten boards with incredible smoothness. The extended 12-inch in-feed table keeps long boards stable and reduces snipe dramatically. It handles both hardwood and softwood without stalling or burning. If you want furniture-grade finishes straight out of your workshop, this machine delivers. A must-have for anyone serious about precision milling. Number 2. Bora Automatic Pocket Hole Jig Kit. This jig automatically adjusts to your lumber thickness, making pocket hole joinery effortless. The color-coded screws and auto-centering drill guide remove all guesswork. It works with materials from 1/2 to 1.5 inches without manual setup. Perfect for cabinets, frames, and fast assembly projects. If you want cleaner joints and faster builds, this one's a no-brainer. Number 3. Self-centering doweling jig kit. This adjustable jig keeps your holes perfectly centered every single time. It comes with 3 bushings and matching drill bits for multiple dowel sizes. Ideal for furniture joints, repairs, and high-strength woodworking connections. Its all-metal build keeps everything stable and accurate under pressure. A go-to tool if you want flawless, hidden joinery. Number 4. Blacksero Smart Cordless Brushless Drill. This isn't just a drill. It's a smart tool with a built-in LED display for torque and mode settings. The 60 Nm brushless motor delivers serious power with longer battery life. 5 working modes let you switch from drilling to fastening with total precision. The self-stop function prevents overdriving screws or damaging material. If you want futuristic control in your hand, this drill is it. Number 5. Laser Pecker LP2 Laser Engraver. Portable, powerful, and precise. This engraver can mark wood, leather, acrylic, and even metal. The rotary roller lets you engrave curved objects like cups and tools. Perfect for custom branding, artwork, tags, and high-detail engraving. Setup takes seconds thanks to its compact, handheld design. If you want to add professional personalization to your woodworking, this one stands out. Number 6. Cordless Electric Hand Planer. This 3 1/4 planer spins at 15,000 revolutions per minute for ultra-smooth surface removal. Runs on DeWalt 20V batteries, making it perfect for portable work. Ideal for trimming doors, flattening edges, and cleaning up rough boards. Lightweight, but powerful enough to handle tough hardwoods. If you want fast material removal without cords holding you back, this is it. Number 7. Digital Tape Measure. This smart measuring tool gives instant digital readouts in both metric and imperial. It can calculate distance, area, and volume with one button. The display shows exact fractions, solving the "was that 1/16 or 3/16" problem forever. Rechargeable and compact. No more dead batteries mid-project. If accuracy matters to you, this digital upgrade is worth every penny. Number 8. Silly Non-Stick Silicone Glue Brush Set. These brushes make glue-ups clean, controlled, and completely reusable. The silicone bristles spread glue evenly without absorbing anything. Once dried, the glue peels right off. No more ruined brushes. Perfect for woodworking, crafts, and fine joinery work. One of the simplest but most useful upgrades for your shop. Number 9. Craig Dowel Jig Kit. This dowel jig removes measurements entirely, just clamp and drill. The removable guides keep your holes perfectly aligned every time. Great for cabinets, shelves, frames, and panel joints. Its metal body keeps everything secure and stable during drilling. If you want fast doweling without rulers, this tool speeds everything up. Number 10. Adjustable Spokeshave Set. This 2-piece Spokeshave set gives you smooth control over curves and edges. The 4 metal blades stay sharp and produce clean shavings. Includes a rasp for shaping and smoothing rough stock. Ideal for chair legs, handles, bows, and detailed shaping. A classic hand tool combo every woodworker should own. Number 11. Precision Dovetail Marker. This guide gives you perfect dovetail slopes at 1:5, 1:6, 1:8, and 1:10 ratios. The extra-large body helps you hold it steady while marking. Great for boxes, drawers, and fine woodworking joinery. Makes traditional dovetails far more accurate and repeatable. If you want craftsmanship-level joinery, this guide gets you there. Number 12. Wayland Bushcraft Settler's Hand Auger. This manual auger is built for building shelters, bushcraft, and outdoor woodworking. The Scotch Eye design lets you use a stick as a handle for serious torque. Perfect for drilling holes in logs, building pegs, and campsite structures. Made from tough carbon steel for field durability. A rugged tool that connects old-school woodworking with survival craft. And that wraps up 12 woodworking tools you'll wish you had yesterday. If you want a part 2 with even crazier new tools, just let me know.